How to change Instagram story from close friend to everyone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you the ways to change Instagram story from close friend to everyone. So for that case, go ahead and log in into your Instagram account. When you're logged in, that is going to take you to the interface, which is going to look something like this. So while you're on this page, what you have to do is, if you wish to go ahead and change the Instagram story, first thing, I'm going to go ahead and add a story. So press the plus story or the your story button from the top right, and then let's say this is the one. So I'm going to go ahead and select it to the arrow icon located right at the bottom, and if you wish to go ahead and select it to your story or maybe close friend, you could go ahead and make changes with the close friend, and I'm just going to share it with this following contact and select and press the done button. And when you've actually shared the story, as you can see that the story has been shared, now you could go ahead and tap the three dot icon, and then you could go ahead and make changes with the story settings. So click on it, and here you cannot go ahead and make changes or switch it to public. However, you can try this alternative, that is, go to your close friend, and then you could go ahead and select all, that is just like this, and you could just go ahead and select all of these people in order to be added as a close friend list by tapping on the select all button, and then you'll have successfully changed your Instagram story from close friend to everyone. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.